Nyame Adom entertainment ame Ghana for chemu a me guy no. Na as usual Ghana yekrobi a da sorry bi asem bi ebeto honom. Ade achi bi akọ social ne so a eya na nkofo di nsem hunu pi. Onko ne na niema egugo so as Ghana's entertainment prefect no. Me ye me hyehyemu na me de ye atu ye. Na asem a beto dwa no emu enyan kakra. Uko Facebook ne so a brantie bi etro ade we to ho. Yes, or accuse one of your legends. And looking at Obra no about entertainment industry name no, or a senior man or a legend, you know, I thought it wise to say a bit on the side of the story. But quick one, say nani pane Troye. Mami mo nkaye kakra, ebeto just say a Lombani blogger out in the year to my friend John Cloud, Tamakulu. Or ni KK for soon bless in your accident, yeah. A branch no fast, so we're training Kwasobekaya. Haya ni dissect story no. Now over the weekend no omo ya branch here no eji I say 1 week we say eji no. And this is accusation obi person or the 2 KK for Susu. Or say at John Cloud's funeral a friend called KK for Susu's manager to ask him if they were on their way to the funeral. The manager asked my friend why she didn't call to remind him of the funeral the day before the funeral. True, they didn't show up. Hey, Rade. And Obi Patrol was here. The very people John Cloud was on the road with and lost his life didn't show up at his funeral. They didn't show up at his 1 week. Not even a phone call to the bereaved family. Last Friday taught me a big lesson in life. KK Fosu and Blex. I'm very disappointed in both of you. Now it's an allegation. I'm a legend. So I know Peme Saka senior man KK Fosu a so. You ever see it in the side of the story? If so, are you true? And then some uncle for a trophy. Senior Bacho, good morning.
Good morning, Sister Sandy.
Me Pacho, I'm Badwam TV, so.
I'm Joso.
Okay, Pacho, first of all, when you Bibia Boko with you after the accident, how are you recovering?
When I'm Adom, Sister, I know pay because of my
okay.
And Madera Diase.
Okay, okay. First of all, what coming across any of these allegations so far? Our mother told so no.
Medase, sister. Nakoswa na Madera Diase. Na Madera Diase ama yenya bless. Also, Madera Diase ama yenya na ya ashre me krano. Se radini ni mnyoye. Ne radin so mfane krano si baby money. Sister Sandy. Say. In some ECCC, I was say, Yin bin Munya, Ashi, any the way I be, cancer me ever chance some funny pound. So much I make a for music industry more. You'll be a Makuma ye, kind, you be a minimum component, the service of bottom. Now, let's go straight up to the allegations. I didn't start here, no, near that, even near that, Legon Hospital, and a woman hinted and said, "This is what is happening. We be control on page asset. Now, I know more day, Dean Bini or for photos being on there at the church. So, I am very careful to say something about it. Say the same thing. Say that the John Claude I call na name a wicked soul na makwa kuku John Claude. Sister Sandy, na me no kreni. I don't even know the boy in my life. The very first day I see a boy, any day now, even 3 hours. And this thing happened. Now, Obo Freme, one guy, Nana Obri, who called, say, there's a party, wedding party. Initially, Kwana meaning say a wedding. So, yeah, Kono, Mede Gidi. Let me say, a yasi atadie. That means Saturday, the idea, the woman pressure, no, a year to number say the cost support. And I made your dog say, okay, let's go, I'll support you. So I didn't know, saving bless count. You know, Yabame became a car, me park a car war, Tema, Starbite. They said, look, how about breakfast? To me, be park a car, Nana, or day, car, it will be serious or more fast. And I just said, I'm open to my yako. At the necromancy, men breakfast. And I may leave with my car and my driver. And then they took me with this small car. And almost say the Kakoshia a friend say Nana Ubrino or no Nam so me yakona na kwame one guy Nana Kwame's party. So I was like, how? Okay, uncle. If you could share Nana Ubri many guys made a car Ketwane farming. Omukui ni man Nana Ubri motorway so. And when I went to the Lipono company, I in Kotina, the beer na car na Claude Mutimo. So I say, oh, me, I'm okay. Cars changing like that, and I don't like it. Okay. It's, I should be in the car, Nianko. No, so be a legend, a small car now. I don't fit to sit inside. So I should go and sit in Claude's small car. Okay. It means he form them is okay. Me see form, no, God being so good. And one young guy, is he free, Claude Mokani Muchiri. And me, I'm not phoning them, meeting Cromony. I'm not driving. I hardly sit in front. When we traveling like that, it's me calling a guy in CN or so. Remember to so make okay. See, I say me got tonight. I can't call me a legend, and I said me a penny, a sunny of John. Until John in free the beer or na me got in front. Wow. And come in and come make cut now. Say me a legend. You met now. You tonight say I mean if you try them, again. So me, I met John Claude and the guy in the car. I don't know John Claude. And a guy driver no introduced John Claude say, oh, you're one blogger. And I'm so that's nice, your business. And John was like, you're a legend. I was sharing it. He was all eager to meet me one day. And he said, you shall come. Yanka Sam na non pan top boy na no be 3 times. And I but after motor we picked Bless. Bless not bless kita one atade one is also. So hona me ho ba na some na he fa na ye kona bless kita atale ba because I was thinking say ye ko yi. And me beside driver and say where we going now so no can say ye wedding and ye ko. And I'm address it to say ye ko yi na. So ye ko for bless I was sitting behind Claude and she nyame something touched me to shift again because the dear the park car no na our highway ni so a car switch so makuma kan in person blessing to be fetched to na car be ahead ehuzana ba be so and I shifted so me shifting was my saved and bless sucked the car inside and then we moved the car I was like accommodating it your driver no Many be omanindi, and all the young corner, yet and permanent crofon be papa be honor a whole lot of talking. And I miss you do Casano no more, Omidina, a friend say. Almost say, Aquawi can be that were hard for so then they should stop and then check them, and then they went eating inside, drinking, friends and quite be money idea to eat something, and so maybe anything there. But me in KFC, I'm coming to. And almost there's a chicken can do or whatever. So we went there and he taught 10 pieces of chicken, the toy. And then maybe last one crying bless in yai. And then this accident free in a big crashing. Wow. Sister, ye prepra. I see a ubi woman yadikitwa. And Nipona minim say me pra edu. So I was like, they should check Bless rather. The Nipa no buy a card by the see they should check Bless because not Horman Kona meeting Mikasa, Bless and Claude, and an imagine one also. And now you say driver no so on press I Omodi economy, Mamma fa Claude first, and a mini Bless later, normally eco. I didn't even know say you do no Claude and a da and him on because I don't know the boy. It's still and I mean say any party in family so they should check on that guy. And I was insisting. So him and main phone so I don't know what is happening, like your paper. It's a hormone of America say they need to transfer. No, I need Mempecolebu, but I need either a friend say Legon and I say rate or 37. And a hormone organize ambulance same fire call. So I was thinking say any partner saying an echo. If you do Legon na almost shaming no. I was insisting on Claude. Where's Claude? You nipa me inside. Claude. And I China, your driver by his side. And Obeka say, oh, Claude the woo. No implement management. I catch me and I catch and say, almost no man can't and say Claude I Ephraim. But Nyansa, you need you know. Your driver ni be now no Claude the woo. Mame, who be chef na misu on my back some you be a kola. I don't even know the guy, but imagine the heart.
Yes.
Na me yawe na even in na Yakobu hospital asam na esi. Ya dan ye busia. Me obi e hwe ne de. Ekofo de ebegu ye a hospital. They just came there once. Obi e kokobonix we a man no. Oba ho no once. John Claude we were free we were starting we were starting posting him so that people will like come together and sympathize. That is the mentality. We even we even did a song for the boy. And sister, do you know what was happening? They were insulting us just because don't you say boy the boy is not following me. One, let me go straight to the point. The guy, I'm speaking with pain. And the people anymore, Obeko, anything bad against me concerning John Claude. I don't know him. Yeah, right down John Claude, team member be unfair and checking. I heard a friend say, Elombini, and asked Esha, oh, this answer phone, but tell him, yes, I'm a deal industry, he has no idea. Own team DB. Answer will be the duo, maybe I'm a duo on my camera and answer the okay. On the first day, all your interviews, no claims are unnecessary allegations. He saw me. He did never in Toronto channel. John, me honor me bonus because of say or John Claude, me brothers and the downfall. I don't know control the pages. I don't know what the boys and then they want to tarnish my image. I don't know anything concerning John Claude. I met John Claude and the driver took me rather. You know. In the 1 week, we don't even know them. So nobody is calling us to give us clue about John Claude. Okay, senior, I want to come concerning 1 week in any phone. Nobody. 1 week in do so no. Nobody call us. We don't even know. Me rather me frefre and I'm a man management. Yeah, frefre say what is happening. I would rather call Bless because me notice they who said Bless and I almost say na downfall or blogging man. Yeah. So 1 week you need to down here 1 week. We were calling. That even the driver no only John Claude now. So Ghana for be amun chasing no. Nebusia phone chasing no is not me. Your friend no on funny phone. You be from on phone. Me no ka say me wo ho me I'm still under treatment. Nyame adom na make 90 kakaka. Okay. By me you be a meeting na faith about a year say. Yeah, argument me imagine say me team, this family and friends. Akone year. That was the argument. 1 week no. Yeah, any boy driver na kasa say boy na busuya for said me na boy ni di mechi no boy for na blah 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 and then could change. So I told my management say dia almost say boy na busuya for and then for mo keka no omunya bo say they shouldn't go answer na mo ye di so no mo fair then I will let them go. No mo ko bo mo so no mo ko bi on party in my name and support. Okay. And these things go somebody also came on my wall telling me the same thing. So we don't know anything about it. We don't know. Onipa no de car ne boy boy ne wu no. Omumbisa sa pan police for no my nipa ne den. Etin Elombini omo obi bi on be church on person punishing him. They should rather stop and go to that police station and ask them. Say nipa no de car ne boy no omo nyansa. They should go there. It's not me KK for so. Because John Claude has never been my teammate. John Claude has never been my friend. John Claude has never blocked from me. But FSA at the NSC, Ubi Ayade, Ebako Jam. You mean that I'm John Claude. Men and me who, me who, friends and, flyer no send money and send me posty. I get in it. And the way I even we don't even know anything about it. It's in the 1 week and then it be a KK for so made I blessed. Won't go ahead be a blessed that. I won't be say, Mama and Quacobosa will no matching a friend. Claude the business for will be an point in say, oh, you're Nick Claude Lecoyana says, your friend, your mamma, said in some Hobatom. You say, Nipa back. Name some go around I say, yeah, then this is how we are going to face it like.
Okay, senior,
you to listen to my side of the story.
Thank you. You're always welcome.
Yeah, that's what I am. Okay. Make it for so you be a mayor to trust them. I don't do my things like that. Okay. No. But anybody, those bloggers know, anybody, and I know so anybody, God will punish the person.
Thank you so much. Yeah, that's only a train come. Yeah, we show speedy recovery and repair. Yeah, best to watch you be. Ahosepe. Ghana Jim to ni KK Fusu and your nature chain come and I no pay. And at time ning na no me shada decide dissect call as a very delicate matter because you obi so bo wrongly ya papa not to talk of sebi obi our kanchine ego. It's where the Ghana for masumua me who post no first na me kind say what if say KK Fusu ne bless and recover to even make a move. Have you thought of them on so Inti Alombeni me show pa ye na also am on side of the story because the bra penny kenye so when I behind allegations omode boning in inti wukwada matching Alombeni so about this side na ye tie ni side of the story but in all things you know ya mebusiano jako page near my speedy recovery so to KK Fusu and a bless and so Ghana for asemba munya aboche social media no ya fo the ohiani data ne phone de na so 5 papas accusation and sema mo trotro celebrities almost so mo nipa o mo na momumu ti munya aboche wati mama fancy na menda hair logistics GHS wonu yin wa mama we kama ahye makatro sa abaya no mene na ehua bom kosi say yesu beba because oija de in terms of wig do braided wig caps no or the behu kill ehye wa asede wabo wuti na afin so matadi so from Miss Gold's boutique Mami, washamatadi achepe over 6 years and counting because of say ton quality dresses from Turkey, UK, USA. Or Santa Maria Blue Kiosk. Uju hwa on sabenkum subon say boho kakraka. Miss Gold's boutique so for Mami Susie and open so me da was say o mami atade e share. Well be Kofi Ampedu me director, Kevin a production assistant, Gifty cinematographer Chamigu, Mr. Quaver a sound engineer. I'm the guy's queen. Bukwada, you bet one sem no so near shishim bakai. Say KK Fusu is still recovering, still no or recover pay. But I see peace and pay will share. Your entertainment journalist, I'm out.